Good morning. As you can see, it's very hot here. I'll put this one off. Oh, we had a couple very hot days here. Yesterday we went out to get some food and we walked in town around 7:30, and the thing on the wall near the pharmacy said it was still 36 degrees. So yeah, imagine, it was very hot here. We had some problems with our sink that got clogged, and then it overflowed, and it overflowed in the cabinets, in the floor, everywhere. So I had a very busy day yesterday with cleaning that up. We fixed the sink. It's draining now again. I don't know. I think something got stuck. But it's fixed. It's cleaned. We still had some engine problems, so we looked at the engine also yesterday. And we think we fixed it. We'll see. But we're gonna sail again today, so we might find out soon if what we did was the right thing to do. We are going to return the little badge to the office, get a little bit more water, and then I think we're just gonna make pace ready and go. Think so, right? Woo! Sound.
Oh man, it's so hot. Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, we're gonna go to the...
Okay. We're gonna go maybe catch some wind outside.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll fix this. Okay. We are sailing, yay! We are going. We are going 3 to 4 knots, but the engine is off. But the engine is off, and that's amazing. It's super hot today, but there's a little bit of wind. Yeah, this is nice. It's nice. We are. Oh, there's hardly anyone here. We started out with quite a few motorboats and super yachts circling us. The choppers as well. I can hear one coming now. But yeah, it's so look. It's almost empty. Well, it's not empty, but the boats that are here are super far away. We do have this once every 15 minutes, I think. It's just a private helicopter. It's insane. They go from here to Cannes to Saint-Tropez. I can see one in the distance coming. It's probably coming from Monaco or Italy, just over the border. There are 2 very expensive harbors, so like a fancy place. But it's insanity. And we have this, but it's nice. It's nice. No, but it's nice. No motorboats overtaking us every single time. It's nice. So we're not going fast, but we're going, and this is. I love it. You're gonna try to fly the drone? Another.
Maybe I shouldn't fly that.
We have not flew the drone while sailing. That's one thing we wanted to learn, but we're super scared of doing. But maybe with all the helicopters and planes, and we're gonna enjoy this little sail. It's...
You can also turn it off.
But it's nice. It's nice. Just a little sail today. A little hop forwards.
Yeah, 80 miles.
Yeah, 80 miles, and we already did 12. So, but yeah, let's enjoy this. Oh yeah. Well, that lasted 50 minutes, and now we're going backwards.
See if it picks up again. I think we have to go around there.
We have to round that. We have to round this. It's here. Oh, I thought we. Yo, it's not so fair. Helikopter, mag met je mee omhoog. made it. We are in. Ooh, even hotter. Beaulieu-sur-Mer. Sorry, my sunglasses. Beaulieu-sur-Mer. It looks super pretty here. There's a little bit of wind on the. Oh, that's nice. And the boat, it was very hot. Super nice people. And now we're gonna go to the Capitaneria to check in and pay for the night. And maybe get a cold drink somewhere because whoo, lordy.
Oh, there's plenty of places with cold drink.
Yeah, it looks nice. It looks really nice.
Oh, ice cream.
Okay, but first check in the Capitaneria.
If there is something we need, it's a leap of faith. A step away from the comfort zone and be a little brave. So take a look around you. How far can you see? How far do you think you can run? Standing on your knees. It's a beautiful world out there. Just don't pass on the dare. If you have the will and a moment to spare, it's a beautiful world out there. It's a beautiful world out there. It can be a bit frightening. It's something you don't know. You need a little enlightening. It'll make you grow. It's a beautiful world out there. Just don't pass on the dare. If you have the will and a moment to spare, it's a beautiful world out there. It's a beautiful world out there. Oh, it's a beautiful world out